Ian, I have a question.
Sure.
And just picturing what you do, I could envision you guys doing the pool and the landscape. The home is a little more confusing to me. So are you just doing mainline leak detection?
Great question. So when it comes to a home, we test the main line from street curb to the front of the house, whole house water pressure, hot, cold water lines in the house, water heater, RO system, sinks, tubs, toilets, single stops. We run the showers, run the toilets, check floats on toilets, shower pan leaks. The house gets a complete scrub down and everything's in that report as well. So,
wow, that is so valuable. And can I ask you also, so you have repair as part of your name. So everything that you find you would fix?
we hold 2 ROC license. We generally specialize in pool repairs. We are licensed to do homes as well. We'll do main lines on a property. We'll do a lot of irrigation repairs. Some of the more intricate home repairs we do pass on and ask them to find another Rosie preferred contractor. We do have our limitations there. We'll test anything for certain.
Very valuable. Thank you.